name is Casie.
And Maori Winton School. I'm BJ. Welcome to N.E.W.S news for Rahina, the 9th of March.
Okay, Rahina means we announce the tidiest class for the week. Drum roll please for...
From 6, 7 and 8.
Congratulations! And remember, keep your classes tidy. Pizza lunch reward for someone at the end of the term.
Right on, let's get into te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is ukurere, which is tidiest for ukulele.
There are no L's in the Maori alphabet, so some loan words have simple substitutions like R's for L's.
Kia ora. Okay, sports news. Senior athletics was held on Friday and over half of the events have been completed.
8-year-olds have the 200-meter high jump and shot put to finish today.
9-year-olds, you have the 200 metres too, and the 9-year-old boys also have discus.
All relay races will be held at Friday lunchtime, so remember your PE gear, please.
Library news. The library is open from returns, browsing and issues from 12:40. Check out the latest books or put your feet up and read a classic.
High-vis vests. Nearly all of us are wearing a high-vis vest. Come on, Winton School, to and from school. Thank you.
And if you miss any notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
No birthdays at Winton School today, so that's all for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S team. Ka kite a popo.
Haere rā, Winton School.